Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Gems, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's see, Gems, what wants to show up for you today? My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gemini, if you're new here to the channel, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Gems. Queen of Cups in reverse, Death in reverse, Seven of Wands upright. Oh, Seven of Swords, center of my spread. So there's been some cheating, lying behavior, or somebody snuck away from a commitment. Gems, what's happening here? Bottom of my deck, I have the Four of Pentacles, holding back. And the light flickered as well. So there's somebody feeling very emotionally overwhelmed at the moment here, Gemini. Feeling totally drained out, not wanting this change either, wanting to still kind of fight for this connection, maybe feeling let down, but they feel somebody snuck away or cheated them out of a commitment here. Whoever this person is has a lot of passion, still very good looking. But there has been some mind games or whatever that's happened to this person. These two cards are not my favorite cards, and they've both come out, Seven of Swords and this Five of Swords here. So this is somebody who plays mind games, likes to win at all costs, my way or the highway, and that's kind of made somebody feel quite bad. So Gems, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the reading. Gemini and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. Gemini and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Gems. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person spirit. And a couple more from here. Gemini and their person. All right. Good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still one of the best thing that's ever happened to me. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. Somebody really wants to make things right here, Gemini. We see this from two different perspectives. I'm under so much stress. So, Gemini, let's see what's going on here. I think you guys are holding back from each other because maybe there was some cheating, lying that happened in this connection. Somebody is now kind of feeling that, hey, I got depleted. I loved and I loved and I loved, and my cup never got refilled. So I'm making a decision now. What's this decision, Queen of Cups? What's this decision that you're making? Yes, they feel that, this connection never gave me the stability. I never felt respected in this connection. So I'm going to now take back my power, take back my control, maybe work on my own self, and to make myself strong enough that I never feel this depleted ever again. I don't think this connection has totally ended, Gemini. There is a fear of totally completing or ending this chapter as well. But yes, somebody is turning their back now, no longer giving that much time and attention on to their person, because they feel that this connection always kind of makes me feel stressed out. I lose sleep. I always wonder where they are, who they are with. I don't trust them anymore. I am feeling kind of upset and angry because I've lost that trust that one should have in a connection, right? So yes, it's better that I turn my back and keep myself a bit guarded. Seven of Wands, Spirit. Yes, again, see, Queen of Cups again. This is the first card I had here. Gemini, Queen of Cups in reverse and Queen of Cups in reverse. So this Queen of Cups is emphasizing on the fact that their cup is empty, and now they don't have any more to give, and they've kind of made up their mind that I don't want to be in a stressful connection. I don't think it's completely, they want to completely end it either, but they want to focus more on themselves to refuel their own system by putting up some boundaries. One more card, Spirit, for the Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands. I think this Queen of Cups is feeling I wasted too much time. Maybe they were waiting, they were stuck, they were waiting for this partner of theirs to level up, but in time they figured out that the person is very inconsistent, never really bringing any kind of stability to this connection, always concerned with their own needs, their own desires, maybe pursuing their business or money or traveling or whatever they were doing. They always kept this Queen of Cups waiting, stuck on them and waiting. And that didn't make them feel very good. They felt, almost like embarrassed that, that I'm the only one, and I'm feeling like knocked off their pedestal, feeling no victory, no happiness. Yes, they feel that somebody cheated on them, lied to them. The connection kind of backfired on me. I was the one who, waited, and nothing really, that my partner never really showed up. In fact, they cheated me, they lied to me, they did something which made this connection go the wrong direction almost. Yes, they feel this connection was not built on solid foundation. This connection has kind of disrupted now because of somebody's lying, cheating behavior or sneaking away from the connection. And if what this Queen of Cups is saying, that if this connection was that ungrounded and had no foundation, if it was only built on sand, and if it, my person is never going to step up, then if it has to collapse, then so be it. I'm not interested. Hierophant. Yeah, some secrets came out. Some secrets came out about somebody's bad behavior. Again, this card is also coming twice. I can imagine. I started this reading, if you remember, Gemini. I started this reading by saying that this and this card are the two cards I don't like at all. This is somebody trying to be one up and always kind of putting the other person down, or saying my way or the highway, and cheating, lying, and trying to get away with things. And I have the same two cards again here. Five of Swords and the Seven of Swords once again, which is really confirming this whatever's happening here. This was here, this was here, this was here. Okay, so yes, somebody feels that yes, I've now, all the secrets are out now, that this person was basically trying to be a controlling factor. They wanted to have the upper hand. They didn't care who they hurt in the bargain. And now that I know what this connection was all about, now I had hopes that we could have a lasting solid connection, but now because of this person's bad behavior, this kind of behavior, some bad memories are now created in this connection. I don't feel the same way maybe that I felt in the past. I had high hopes that we could maybe be married one day, or we could have a long-term partnership, or maybe one day this person will come and offer me all that. But now I've realized that person was only cheating, lying, and sneaking away, and maybe just wanting to be single and have their way the way they wanted it. So I think this Queen of Cups is now acknowledging the fact that, hey, it's all right. I'm going to take my power back now. I'm going to start concentrating on myself. I don't trust this person anyway. So I'm going to now be single, be abundant, and be happy doing it. And I think this Queen of Cups is doing a fantastic job, because not only are they now single and focusing and actually reaping the fruits, things are like kind of prospering in this Queen of Cups, this Nine of Pentacles person. This person has really glowed up. They are attracting a lot of attention now, and they're saying, why not? I mean, I was good, I waited, I stuck around waiting for this person to kind of level up, and if they haven't, then I might as well get my attention somewhere else. So, Queen of Wands, what do you want to say? Queen of Wands. Yes, this Queen of Wands, I think, says, I waited around for a long time. I waited around, I waited. I really had wishes and hopes for the future. I had the world in my hands at that point, and I was making plans for this could have been, this will be, or this would be, or whatever plans they were making. But it all went in vain, because maybe they feel their partner kind of spilt all this emotion to the ground. Maybe they've brought in a third party or something, I don't know. But there is a lot of sadness and regret for the time wasted in staying in limbo and waiting around. This Queen of Wands says, hey, no more. No more. I know who I am. I know I can get anyone I want. So I'm kind of putting a bit of a stagnancy into this connection. I'm no longer waiting around for this person. I'm no longer going to stall my progress for somebody who's always going to behave this way. So, Four of Swords spirit. Who's this Four of Swords person now? Oh, this person who was cheating, lying, or wanting to control, now they are feeling the absence. They are feeling that the communication maybe has lessened. The text messages are not as strong as they were before. They are taking some time out to reflect on why these changes are happening. They are trying to now play the spy and keep a watch on this Queen of Wands to wonder, is my person with somebody else? How come they're not texting me now, or they're not talking to me the way they used to before? This person is now reflecting on what has happened. Now this person is feeling quite without hope. They're kind of feeling their wishes are not going to come true now. Whoever this person is who's now realizing what they've done, they don't want this chapter to end. They don't want this chapter to end. They thought they could get away with everything, but now they're recognizing things are changing. Things are changing. Their partner is no longer as enthused about the connection as maybe they at one time felt. So, Five of Swords. Five of Swords. Five of Swords. Oh. Okay, so now they feel that person holding back from them. Now they've recognized that their person has kind of leveled up and is now no longer fighting for this connection. They're recognizing what they've done in the past. They're recognizing the way they've behaved in the past. Even though they don't want to now, they want to put their guard down. Maybe earlier they were very guarded and playing these mind games. Now they don't want to put their barrier up, because now they're recognizing, oh my God, I lost a connection of a lifetime. This was my soulmate, and with my bad behavior, I have lost the one person who I think was sent by the heavens for me. This was my soulmate. So I have whoever the bad behavior person was here, Gemini, whoever was playing these mind games, they seem to be in a lot of depression now. Maybe almost feeling unwell at the moment. This person is feeling really, really neglected. One more card, Spirit, for this person. Yes, they know they've created a big mess. They know things are in troubled waters right now because of their player ways. They know that what they've done, they've behaved like a player, they never gave attention to their partner in the past. Now they're feeling their partner now holding back from them, and that's kind of really bothering this person, that now, because now they know that this is my soulmate. And my bad behavior. A very similar theme came out for I think Libra as well. So there's a lot of realizations which are coming upon people. Yes, they do want to have victory. They know that their person is their person. I have the Six of Wands and the Empress. So either they see their person as really victorious and doing very well in their own life, and that's depressing them even more. But I do feel that this person still is hoping and wishing, but kind of losing hope now. From the Star card in reverse, I think they're losing hope that they can ever now find this victory now with this Empress, because this Empress is getting more and more out of reach as days go by. Okay, so this is just a small little love bite. Yes, somebody's feeling devastated, totally feeling this is the end, and they know why, because they lied. They cheated, they created some imbalance, they never came and shared what was their true passion with their person, and their person has gone away for a fresh new beginning now. They've lost their 10 of Cups because of maybe third parties here. Anyway, I can go on and on, Gemini, but this is supposed to be a small little mini love bite, right? So we'll get deeper into both your, soul and mind and emotions on Tuesday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.